In today's video, I'm going to teach you Zoho Forms plus Zoho CRM integration tutorial. We'll start in Zoho CRM, then build a simple form in Zoho Forms, connect it to the Leads module, and test the flow end to end. Begin on the Zoho CRM homepage. Click the Configure icon, the 9-dot menu next to your profile, and choose Forms. You'll be routed to a page promoting Zoho Forms. Click Access Zoho Forms to continue. Inside Zoho Forms, click New Form, and for this walkthrough choose Blank Form. Give your form a clear descriptive name so teammates can find it later, then click Create Form. In the builder, drag in the fields you need. For this example, add name, phone, and email to the form area. You can adjust field labels and help text later, but for now, keep it simple. Next, let's connect the form to Zoho CRM. Open the Integrations panel, select Zoho CRM, then click Integrate. In the module drop-down, choose Leads, which is a common destination for incoming inquiries, and pick the standard layout so the fields align with your CRM's default structure. Now map the fields. Select the CRM field for name, first name, and map it to the name field from your form. Then do the same for name, last name. Mark these fields as mandatory within the mapping, so every submission includes the minimum details you need. If you collect email, click Add Fields in the Mapping section, choose Email, and map it to your form's email field. When selecting from the dropdown, make sure you pick the correct email field to avoid mismatches. Once your mappings look right, click Integrate to save the integration. It's time to test. Click Access Form to open the live version. Enter a first and last name, add a phone number, and type an email address, then click Submit. Tip: use a recognizable test entry so it's easy to find in CRM, and ensure the email is valid to prevent sync or validation errors down the line. Head back to Zoho CRM and open the Leads module. Refresh the page if needed. You should see the new lead created from your form submission with the name, phone, and email populated exactly as mapped. If something doesn't appear, double-check your field mappings and mandatory settings, then submit the form again. That's it. You've built a form, integrated it with Zoho CRM, mapped the key fields, and verified that the data flows into Leads. If this was helpful, subscribe for more.